Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how you can orient yourself to our admin dashboard and our shop settings page. On this first section here, we're going to be showing you your configurations. These are the name of your shop, this is your website of your shop, what units you want to use, miles or kilometers, and if you want to integrate your canned jobs into our system, which we recommend everyone does. The one thing to note, of course, is that if you do want to enable your Carfax integration, you're going to need to register with Carfax using your shop website. So as long as you put in a website here, you'll be able to activate that Carfax integration. The last little piece here is if you have service name patterns to ignore for your maintenance recommendation system, which we'll cover in a separate video. This portion here, though, is really important, especially if you're doing something on every car, like a courtesy inspection. You can put those key phrases here, and we'll make sure to exclude that when reviewing your service history for maintenance recommendations. The next tab over here is the users tab. When I go ahead and click on this, what we'll be able to see is all of the different users that have access to the shop. So we'll show you if anyone's had an invite sent, who's had an invite and accepted it, and also who's indicated as an admin. You can go ahead and toggle admin controls for individual users by flipping it on or off. But you can't activate or deactivate your own admin settings. Only another admin can change that for you. If you do want to invite a new user, all you have to do is click on this invite user button, put in that user's email, and then once you do that, we'll go ahead and invite that user. We'll send them an email with a link to download the browser extension as well as get rolling with everything else. From here, we can head over to our maintenance interval platform. This is, again, a page that we'll cover in a different video, but this will walk you through how you can go ahead and make changes to your maintenance intervals, update your requirements, and even change which OEM specifications you want to use. The next section here is your profitability goals. These are what you can use to update your gross profit per hour assistant, and this will show you information about your shop's overhead cost per hour, your minimum profitability goals, your max goals, specific pricing ranges you want for different services, or if you'd like to exclude certain services from your list as well. This feature is currently only live on Tekmetric, but we're working to roll it out to other shop management softwares as well. So if you don't see this showing up on your page, do not be alarmed. The next section here is for our customer workflows. So what these are, in addition to our AI generated questions we allow you to ask, you can also build out your own list of questions. So if I wanted to make a workflow to ask questions about what happens if a check engine light is happening on a car, what questions should I ask my customer, you can build that out in here. So you could call this check engine light. You could go ahead and ask the specific questions like how long has the light been on, and once you add these questions here, you can go ahead and hit save, and then that'll get added right to this list here. Once you've made your customer workflows, the last section, again, which is right now a Tekmetric exclusive, is our inspection maintenance. We go ahead and load up your digital vehicle inspections from Tekmetric, and we'll show you which maintenance interval items are mapped to the service items on your digital vehicle inspection. You can tweak these and configure these however you want, but this allows you to automatically add your overdue or soon to be due maintenance interval items right into your digital vehicle inspection. Hope that helps give you an idea of all the different pages we have available for you in our shop settings page. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.